It's not fair, Horace, me lad. It's just not fair. How come she gets off with probation and a restraining order?
While we's left rotting away in it.
It's cruel and unusual.
Off your bums, lads. Sprung for your bail, somebody has.
It must be Mum come to spring us.
Mum never liked me. Must be good old Dad.
I'd never liked you either.
Jasper! Horace! It's time to finish the job.
Oh no, not her. We always get the worst end of it with her.
Our old friends.
Cassidy!
And Butch.
The name is Butch.
Well, if she wants us to work for her this time, we won't be made fools of.
You look just like Mum.
Shut up, you. I ain't going through with this, I tell you. I ain't.
Here he comes now.
Oh,
Go on,
Go,
Jasper.
go on, go.
Afternoon, love. Something I can... something I can do for a pretty young lady like yourself.
Of course you can, you naughty man.
You can just give me this.
Woohoo, they're all inside, Jasper. Go ahead and start it up.
Breaking into this breeding center was genius. It's a burglar's dream.
I told you this place was gonna be packed with Pokemon.
And we're going to steal every last one.
That'll put us back on the boss's good side.
But we've never been on his good side before.
Whatever in the world?
Ow! Hey, where's he going? Kanine Crunchies! Hey, Kanine Crunchies!
Woohoo, it worked, Jasper.
Like a dream, Horace, me lad. Like a dream.
I should have known it was you terrible men. Now let those puppies go right now, or I'm going to knock the stupid out of both of you.
To protect the world from devastation.
To unite all peoples within our nation.
To denounce the evils of truth and love.
To extend our reach to the stars above.
Jessie.
James.
Team Rocket, blast off at the speed of light.
Surrender now or prepare to fight.
That's right.
In our lady, we don't want to have to hurt you none. Right, that's it then. I've had just about enough of this. There now. That ought to hold you right and proper.
Jasper,
What?
can we just go back to jail now?